Here's my chubby wubby trying to turn over.
The thing is, you say you love this town so much, Billy, but you can't wait to get out of here.
Well, exactly. Well, how else could I miss it if I didn't?
Come on, Mamita, turn over. Come on. Roll over.
Maybe you will be right.
Come on.
Don't tell anybody.
Try it.
Family secret.
Come on, reach out. Try it.
Food?
Hey,
Hi.
can we have 2 hot dogs, please?
One with the mustard.
And I'll have mine with mustard too, but no onions. Definitely no onions on mine.
So, do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have a stepbrother. He's a little older. You know, my mother married his father.
Doesn't look like she's going to be turning anytime soon.
So maybe
She might. Watch her turn when I turn off the damn camera.
You ain't sure. You never know.
Oh, she's trying. She's trying. She's trying. Hold on. It might happen now. Come on.
That's a nice thing to say.
Come on, Mamita. Come on.
Yeah?
Come on.
So,
You're almost there. You're almost there. Come on.
I mean, really.
How do you think? I know there's stuff you can say about it.
Doesn't matter. I mean,
Oh my God! You did it!
Yeah, well,
You did it! Oh my God! I'm so excited!
come on, Billy. It matters.
Yay! I got it on video! I got it on video! Look!
So,
Yay! I gotta tell your father! John! Oh, wait. Don't you dare spit up. Don't you dare spit up. Hey! Okay, bye.